What's unique about this charming HDB unit is the mixture of elements that make up an eclectic Scandinavian home. The homeowner's looking for a style that is bright, simple, and functional. A home that is spacious and convenient for both the homeowner and her two corgis to live in. I choose to place pastel geometric tiles that are meant to give a warm welcoming to the homeowners as they enter towards the living room. It then transitions into an eclectic communal area with a forest green feature wall that gives life to the bright open space. This solid wood antique furniture is the homeowner's prized possession as it was passed down from generations in her family and is now proudly displayed at the living room. What I've done to create maximum airflow and brightness to the home is by hacking the wall between the dining area and kitchen and built a semi-open counter that functions as a breakfast bar and pantry for food preparation. It is also the homeowner's favorite spot in the house. All HDB units have curbs. I wanted to create a leveled surface from the communal area to the kitchen for aesthetics, functionality, and safety reasons. To achieve this, we used over 250 bags of cement, and the same cement was used to raise the bathroom floorings as well. What I like about this project is the chance to build a pet sink located at the service yard that the homeowners use to bathe the corgis. That way, it is more hygienic and the homeowners have a comfortable space to groom her pets. Last but not least, the simplistic multi-storage platform bedroom that is connected to walk-in wardrobe.
But it's absolutely necessary.
RGB LED lights were installed to the ceiling to amp up the vibe during spin workouts. I designed this home to be simple and comfortable, yet there's plenty of character and warmth to fill the whole unit. I'm glad when our homeowners describe this design as spacious, fun, and functional.